everybody, and welcome to another video. My name is Lainey, my pronouns are they, them, and today we are going to opening weekend at the Renaissance Fair. This is what I'm wearing. You can also catch a get ready with me video that may or may not be posted on my channel within the next 3 years. We'll see. But yeah, it's been a full year. Last year I did not have a great time. I got really sick and ended up just being miserable. So today we are determined to have a good time and to enjoy the festivities. And it's opening weekend! I have not done an opening weekend since I worked here. So yeah, it'll be really fun. Okay, successful entrance into the fair. They did not check my flask this time for alcohol. Not that I had anything in there, I actually did not, but last time they checked, and that was the only time I've ever been checked for it, so I thought that was interesting. But yeah, we are in and on our way to the Caffeine Nation. Let's go. I've never sat in here before, and it's really cute. They have these little centerpieces too. But it's like a little cafe. And there's like little lamps, little chandeliers. It's really cute. I really like it. And it's funny because I've been buying stuff from here for like 10 years and I've never sat in the back area or seen it.
Did you have fun? I'm sorry you died at the end. It was a good job seeing that. This will be determining whether or not our heroes live or die today. So Johnny, here's the thing. In D&D and in real life, we all have these attributes. Our strength, our dexterity, our faster, our healthy work, things like that. In D&D, you roll for those stats. And based off of them, that depends on what you have to roll. Like if you have a really strong strength, you might not have to roll in like, 20. And he's got some magic, so let's get covered in one spell. What do you want to do? Fireball it is, all right. Fireball.
Sparta, we the best side! We got the best chant. And it goes like this. Sparta, Sparta, make the earthquake. Woo! I know what you're thinking, the room looks stupid. But, all proudly, it looks really stupid. 1, 2, 3. Sparta, Sparta, make the earthquake. Woo! Alright, let's look at the suburbs. Alright, Troy! Are we the best side? Yeah! Trojans, we will never break. I didn't see everybody. We're gonna win this thing when it's all for us together. Very well. When competition runs like so, we enter inside 3 times. Sparta, Troy, Sparta, Troy, Sparta, Troy. After the 3rd time, I will pick a winner. They will ascend to heaven in glory, while the losers will descend to Kenosha in shame. All right, we gotta win, Sparta. Sit up straight. Support, support. 1, 2, 3. Sparta, Sparta, make the earthquake. Trojans, Trojans, we will never break. Sparta, Sparta, make the earthquake. Trojans, Trojans, we will never break. Sparta, Sparta, make the earthquake. Trojans, Trojans, we will never break. Yes, I did. It was totally impromptu. We had nothing to do with it. It came from their hearts. Very well. God, I'm very excited. Pants all falling down. All right. People, do you really want to see me in fun? Eat me! Whoa! We're talking mudball, kids. You won't see that at Six Flags. All right, toss it up, my little pants. Yeah, I want to play for the White Sox. on, but first, I need a dramatic countdown from 3, ending with...
We got bread. I tried it for the first time last year and it was really good. And we ate like 2 entire loaves, or a loaf and a half. And they have different sauces. So we got spicy mustard and chipotle mustard. And then I also got a chai. So we're happy. We're gonna try the tomato basil bread. Trying the bread. It's good. It tastes like rosemary and olive oil. Okay, so I just made my first like non-food purchase of the day. They're really, really nice, and I got a little hairpin. It's all made out of polymer clay, and the people there make it. And it's like they had hairpins and the like hair sticks. This is a hair stick, a bunch of other cool stuff. And yeah, they're really nice, and I'm really happy. It looks really cute.
For the back, yeah.
It's a rain sun shower. Full times. Oh, I'm gonna have to block out your face.
Okay, you people over here want to see me do it? I asked for tip. And this is the $5 trick. What are the proposals that they're going to get this? And keep your eyes on the can.
Okay, so I just got a fan pouch. I've been wanting one of these for a few years and it was $17. So let's open it up. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what the pattern is. Oh, it's like a small bag. Sir, please, please. Okay, okay, okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. No one saw that. It's really cute. It's just plain black, which is actually great. I was really hoping for a plain black one. And it's green.
Well, did she just say Target? Target, stand up! I almost caught that. I bet I'm not the first person to almost catch something from you. Nasty with a G. Oh, look at her sensitive little boyfriend. Did I do the period joke? No, he refers to it as our period.
The pickles are $3. Well, I'll do it this way. We got pickles too, for electrolytes, because pickles are good to keep you from dying from dehydration. I got a dill, and my friend got a garlic. He's smoking. That's not allowed here. Oh, of course, as soon as I start filming, it's done. Dude, I wish I could put one of these in my room.
It's hanging up the sky. It's hanging from the top. It'd be so easy to.
It's okay. The fair has drastically emptied out, as you can see. There's not a ton of people left. This is actually my favorite time to be at the fair too, because like then the shops are so much less crowded, there's no lines for like food or drinks, and also it's like cooler because it's like towards the end of the day. So this is the ideal time to come if you ever go to the fair. Like, make note, I think it's like 5 p.m. right now. Yeah, it's 5 p.m. right now, but like obviously come earlier so you spend the whole day, but make sure you stay until the end because it clears out and it's just so nice. I really like this one, the cat one, and then
when you leave and then come back and try to explain it out.
Do you know which one?
Which one? The castle? Oh, dude, the castle is really cool.
There is no issues with taking photos in my phone.
A laboratory mushroom video. It's not just mushrooms this year though. They also have they've had these before, the planets and the planet, but it looks like these cone ones are new. So those I'm pretty sure are all new. And the spheres got added a few years ago, if I remember right. Look how cool. I love it in here, and the AC is going. I'm so happy they brought them back. Yeah. I got soup and a bowl because it's cold today. Okay, we got soup. It's not hot, it's lukewarm, but it's good. We also got a half price cake thingy, a tuxedo cake, so it's like $4. It looks good. Let's do it.
You don't like it.
Is it
dude.
coffee?
There's no coffee, but you're not gonna like it. It's dark chocolate, and then it's got the dark caramel. I don't taste coffee.
I taste coffee.
Hang on. You always taste coffee though.
Everything here always tastes like coffee to me.
No, there's no coffee.
Okay. Okay, the fair is closing, so we are gonna head home. Thanks for joining us today. I'm too tired to think of anything else for an outro. Bye!